Hello viewers and welcome back to Stock Tech. Today we will take a look at Nifty. So the markets have been very volatile in the past few days, and we have seen that the markets have come up and there were 2 to 3 days upward movement, and then there was suddenly downfall, and we have seen some neutral movement on Friday. So I'll be taking you through the Nifty chart and we will try to understand where the markets are heading. So as you can see, this is Nifty 50 index chart. Okay. If you don't know what is Nifty 50, there are a lot of beginners who may be watching this video. Nifty 50 is one of the major indices for NSE. Okay. In simple words, it is an index which shows you the direction where the markets are headed. Okay, if you want to learn this, there are a lot of videos on our channel on the basics of stock markets where you'll get complete knowledge about it. Do subscribe to the channel, do follow the videos, like and share and comment. Okay, so now I'll be beginning with the Nifty 50 chart analysis. Okay, this is a candle chart, and as you can see, one candle here represents one day. So this was today's candle, that is 26th March. Okay, this was 25th March. Okay, so now we are trying to predict what can happen on Monday. So if you can see the chart, Nifty has shown an amazing rally. The rally started back in last March itself. Okay, back in March, a big gigantic rally started for the market. Those who have entered after March, a lot of people last year in the lockdown, they entered the markets. The markets have almost doubled. Okay, the rally started around 7,570 and it went up to 15,470, almost 100%. So you can say the Indian markets doubled in a year. This was a gigantic, enormous move. The markets went as high as you can see this level. I'll just be marking this level for you. Okay, 15,430 levels. Okay, this was the high that the markets made on 16th February. And then the market started coming down, rebounced, and it went as high as, let me mark this, 15,325. Now what happens here is this levels will start acting as resistance for the market. So here, until and unless Nifty doesn't cross over this levels, you cannot be assured of a big rally. The markets may recover, they may go up till here. Okay, again there may be fall, or there may be a breakout, that is markets crossing over this. But once the market crosses this levels, there will be a gigantic rally. Currently if you see, markets are moving in a trend channel. Okay, now where the markets are taking support, where support is a level from where there are chances that the markets can rally up. As you can see, the markets are in uptrend. Okay, so if I try to draw a trend line using previous two lows or bottoms, whatever you try to call it, this is the current levels of the market. So the previous bottom is here, one is over here, as I will just mark it. Okay, to highlight it, this is one of the bottoms, previous bottoms. When I say, it's the previous low. Okay, where the markets have made the lower. Okay, and previous to that we have a bottom over here, right? So I'll just try to draw a line, okay, which stretches from this bottom, okay, over here to this bottom. So I've just marked and taken the lowest points of these two bottoms over here on 21st December and then 28th Jan. Now let me show you something. I will just extend this line. Okay, I will extend this line towards right. As you can see, I've marked only two bottoms, but I'll just extend this right line. You can see now Nifty has a support level over here. This level will act as a support level. This is called trend line support. There are high chances that there may be a bounce back from this particular levels, from this trend line support. Okay, and the targets will be up to this resistance level. Now basically what happens is this gets narrowed down. As you can see, it made a high over here, but the next high is lower than the previous high. So currently if you watch the trend of Nifty is making a downtrend channel where you can see it's eventually coming down. This was the previous high, then the next high is lower than this high, and if you see the bottoms, there was a bottom here, there's a bottom here. So eventually it's in a downtrend channel, downtrend channel. Okay, so but now it has taken support at the trend line. So if it has to bounce back from here, okay, let's not get confused, let's ignore this for a while. Even if you go with this downtrend channel line, okay, it's currently at the support levels, and if the bounce back has to come up, the bounce back will be up till here, and this will be called the resistance level. Then there is a major resistance over here. A fresh rally would be expected beyond this points only. Okay, as of now I'll just go with the trend line support. Okay, so again, understand this. Okay, this is a trend line support. So this will be my hope that the markets may bounce back from here. The market will bounce back from here. Okay, if you see, there is a very strong demand level. If by chance the market does not sustain this level and breaks this trend line, I am expecting the markets to come down to this levels. Okay, so here, this would be the level I would be expecting the markets to come down. So here, I'll just take this point. Okay, so then there's a very strong support over here. Currently, it's at the trend line support. So if Nifty has to follow how trend line supports work, it's simple. Okay, what we expect is to bounce back here. Okay, and this is how we expect it to follow the route, right? And at certain point, if there is a breakout, what is a breakout? A breakout is a point where basically the stock crosses over the resistance. So if there is a breakout over here, okay, if there is a breakout over here, then we may expect some fresh rally. But if it fails to break out, okay, or if it fails to follow this path and it breaks down over here, then I would expect it to come down to this levels as well. You know, currently most of the analysts are on the negative sides. Okay, because they believe the current pandemic situation that is going on, and again the cases are rising. So majority of them have a bearish view. But I'll be bullish as long as this trend line support holds good. Okay, once the trend line support breaks, then even I am expecting Nifty to come down to this levels. Then only heavy buying will start on this levels. Currently, we are going long, we are buying Nifty. Okay, we are buying stocks with the expectations that the stocks will rally, and Nifty may give us a few points rally at least from here. That is around 1,000 points rally can be expected from here. Okay, but if this breaks, then you can expect Nifty to come down to this levels of 13,460 approximately. Okay, so this will then act as the strong support. Okay, so this is the Nifty view. If you look at global markets, if you currently take a look at DJI, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you should be watching this. Okay, this is index for the US. So you can see it's very aggressive right now. It's very aggressive right now. It has a current supply over here. Okay, crossing which a fresh rally may start. And it has a very strong support at this levels. So the US markets as of now looking aggressive. If you take a look at SGX Nifty, okay, which is the index for Indian stocks traded in Singapore Stock Exchange. Okay, so here you'll get an idea of that this is also respecting the trend line support. As you can see, it is respecting the trend line support over here. Okay, correct. So this is also respecting the trend line support over here, and we can see some bounce back in this levels again from here. So I would expect Nifty also to do the same. Okay, but again, it depends a lot on the current scenario. So be cautious, take your trades carefully. Okay, we will be following up. You can follow up on our YouTube channel. You can keep watching for more videos. If you want to join our free WhatsApp group, where the levels are posted on everyday basis, the link is in the description. You can just click the link and join our free WhatsApp video as well, right? Okay, and if you want to know more about us, you can visit our website www.stocktech.in, where you have complete details. Okay, what is the basis of our analysis, how we perform the analysis, and everything. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, that is Stock Tech. Okay, and you have a lot of free videos over here where you can learn how to use the Zerodha platform, how to find out the entry points, exit points, a strategy, the previous analysis that we have posted, our students' performance. We have everything over here. So do follow, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Okay, but before I sign up, let me tell you the overview. We are expecting a bounce back from this trend line support, but if it doesn't, then we have a strong support around 13,460 levels. Currently we are at the trend line support, and we will be okay aggressive as long as this, I mean, we will be bullish as long as this trend line support holds good. Okay, see you until next time. Hope this analysis helps you learn. Okay, and as you know that you should do your own research and your own analysis before taking any investment decisions. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share your views in the comment section. Thank you.
To join our free WhatsApp group, call 7829295555 or visit www.stocktech.in. This video is for educational and study purpose only. We do not assure, guarantee or promise any returns from the strategy in the video, and we are also not responsible for any profit or loss that you make. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you.